The 2025 Honda G3-wheeler rickshaw is a modern interpretation of the traditional three-wheeler, designed with a focus on efficiency, comfort, and eco-friendly performance. Honda has taken the concept of a city commuter rickshaw and transformed it into a contemporary vehicle that blends practicality with modern technology. This model aims to provide an affordable yet stylish transport solution for both commercial drivers and personal use, making it a strong contender in the growing urban mobility segment. One of the standout features of the 2025 Honda G3-wheeler rickshaw is its design. The exterior carries a fresh, aerodynamic look with sleek lines and a slightly futuristic front fascia. The headlights are LED-based, providing bright illumination while consuming less energy. Its compact size makes it perfect for maneuvering through narrow streets and congested traffic, a common scenario in many cities. The color options are diverse, giving owners the chance to personalize their rickshaw to match their preferences or business branding. Under the hood, the Honda G is powered by a fuel-efficient engine that meets modern emission standards, ensuring reduced environmental impact. Honda offers both petrol and electric variants to cater to different market needs. The electric model, in particular, stands out for its quiet operation and minimal running cost, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious drivers. The petrol version, on the other hand, provides a reliable and familiar option for areas where charging infrastructure is still developing. Comfort has been given significant attention in this 2025 model. The driver's cabin is spacious enough for long working hours, with an ergonomic seat design that reduces fatigue. The controls are intuitively placed, and the steering is light, making it easy to operate even in stop-and-go traffic. Passengers benefit from cushioned seating, ample legroom, and better ventilation compared to older rickshaw designs. The improved suspension system ensures a smoother ride over uneven roads, which is a major upgrade for both drivers and passengers. In terms of technology, Honda has equipped the G3-wheeler rickshaw with useful modern touches. Depending on the variant, drivers can expect features like a digital instrument cluster displaying speed, battery or fuel status, and trip information. Some models also include USB charging ports, allowing drivers to keep their devices powered throughout the day. Safety has also been improved with better braking performance, enhanced visibility, and sturdy body construction to withstand everyday wear and tear. The Honda G's maintenance requirements are minimal, thanks to Honda's reputation for reliability and durability. Spare parts are expected to be widely available, and servicing costs should remain affordable, which is crucial for commercial operators. The fuel or energy efficiency directly translates into better profitability for drivers, making it not only a modern but also an economically sensible choice. Overall, the 2025 Honda G3-wheeler rickshaw represents a step forward in urban mobility, combining the practicality of a traditional rickshaw with modern styling, improved comfort, and advanced technology. Whether used for passenger transport, goods delivery, or personal commuting, it offers a well-rounded package for drivers who want to stay ahead in an evolving market. Honda has once again demonstrated its ability to innovate while staying true to the needs of everyday users, and the G3-wheeler is a strong testament to that philosophy.